All right, guys, we're going to be working in Scratch today. So I need you to go ahead and get logged in. Remember, it's scratch.mit.edu. We made our accounts on Monday, so if you happen to have been gone Monday, and just check with a friend in class, and they can show you how to join the Scratch community. Once you get logged in, I would like for you from this main screen to go to the Create button. We talked about this screen Monday, talked about the different parts to it, but I want to show you what you're going to be working on today. You're going to be over here on the far right-hand side, and you're going to see a little tiny question mark in a circle. You want to click on that, and it's going to open up this tips section in Scratch. And Scratch is really good about giving you step-by-step help when you're getting started. So what you're going to be working on today is the first two step-by-step guides. You're going to do this one called Getting Started with Scratch, and you're going to do this one, Animate Your Name. Okay? You will not do the other three today, just the top two. And then if you still have time at the end of class, I'll have you go down to this how-to section, and you can work through effects, animation, games, and stories. Okay? But for most of you, I think doing the first and second step-by-step guide will take most of the hour. Okay? So what you want to do when you get ready to go, you're going to hit Getting Started with Scratch, and you'll notice it's going to take you through step-by-step, working through different aspects of Scratch. Okay? And if you've worked with Scratch before, some of this might be review, but it is important. This is the foundation of understanding how Scratch works, okay? So I still want you to work through it even if you have used Scratch before. So what you'll do, you'll just click on each step, and Scratch talks you through exactly what they want you to do, okay? Gives you a little animation here. It's telling you to move a block over to the scripts area. So you're just going to do that at your desk. Click and drag it over, okay? And then you'll work through it. Then click on that block to make the cat move. Okay? And we did this, something like this in class Monday as well. Then when you're ready, you're going to move on to the next one. Again, it tells you exactly what you need to do. You're going to be adding a sound. So you'll go to the sound section. You will find the play drum sound. And pull that over, and then it just has you work through it and practice it each time. Okay. And folks, make sure your audio is not loud and crazy. Okay, you want to be able to hear it, but it doesn't need to be obnoxious. Okay. Then you're going to hit next, and it's going to have you keep working through this step by step. Notice I'm in step 3 of 13. Okay, so you would keep working through it. Okay, one by one. What I want to do is just scoot up a little bit and show you something different that I want you to do. Okay, so you'll keep working through. You'll go through 4, 5, and so on. And make sure you're pulling over all your blocks and practicing what they're teaching you. The part that I want to point out to you is right about, I think it's on like number step 12. Yeah, step 12, it says for you to share your project. I do not want you to share this project, okay? This is not one that needs to be shared, but I do want you to save it, okay? So where it tells you to share it, just come up here and give it a name. And it tells you to call it Dance Show, I think, on this one. So you'll just call it Dance Show. And you'll save it just by doing File, Save Now, okay? Instead of sharing today, just save. And same thing when you get to the second guide that I want you to do, which is over here under All Tips. You'll hit All Tips again, and you're going to work through Animate Your Name. When you do that one, towards the end, it has you share. and I do not want you to share today. I just want you to save. And then you're going to show me these 2 programs when I come back to school on Friday. Okay, so you will show me those. If you get all the way through, then remember you can go back to all tips, and then you'll work through this how-to section. Okay. I am at a meeting today, so you can email me if you have any questions. That's fine. Otherwise, I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you on Friday.